Hey there, car audio enthusiasts! Are you stuck trying to decide between an 8-inch subwoofer and a 12-inch subwoofer for your ride? Well, you've clicked on the right video because today, we're breaking it all down: the power, the bass, and which one is the perfect match for you. Stick around to the end because I'll share my personal recommendation and some pro tips for optimizing your car's sound system. But before we discuss this bass battle, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. And don't forget to share this with your car audio crew. Alright, let's start with the basics. What exactly does a subwoofer do? A subwoofer is responsible for producing low-frequency sounds, also known as bass. It's what gives your music that deep, thumping beat that you can feel in your chest. Now, when it comes to size, bigger isn't always better, and smaller doesn't always mean weaker. It's all about the right fit for your car, your music preferences, and of course, your budget. So let's compare the two heavyweights, the compact 8-inch subwoofer and the mighty 12-inch subwoofer. Let's talk about the 8-inch subwoofer first. This little guy might be small, but it packs a punch. Key benefits of 8-inch subwoofers include: 1. Compact size. It's perfect for smaller cars or if you're tight on space. 2. Quick response. The smaller cone size makes it great for tight, punchy bass, which is ideal for music genres like rock, pop, or jazz. 3. Energy efficient. It doesn't demand as much power from your amp, making it a great option if you're working with a more modest setup. But don't be fooled by its size. It might not rattle your windows like a 12-inch, but it's perfect for a balanced sound profile and clarity. If you're a minimalist who loves precision, the 8-inch might be your winner. Now let's bring in the big guns, the 12-inch subwoofer. This beast is for those who live for that ground-shaking bass that turns heads at every stoplight. Key benefits of 12-inch subwoofers include: 1. Deep, powerful bass. The larger cone can move more air, giving you that booming low-end sound that's perfect for hip-hop, EDM, and bass-heavy tracks. 2. Versatility. It can handle a wider range of frequencies and performs well even at higher volumes. 3. Show-stopping sound. If you want your car to feel like a rolling concert, this is your go-to. But here's the thing, the 12-inch subwoofer does require more power and space. So, if you've got a bigger car and love to feel the music, this one's for you. Now that we've met the contenders, let's compare them head-to-head in key categories. 1. Size and space. The 8-inch is compact and easy to fit into tighter spaces, while the 12-inch requires a larger enclosure and more room in your car. 2. Bass performance. The 12-inch dominates with deep, booming bass, but the 8-inch wins for tight and accurate sound. 3. Power requirements. The 8-inch is more energy efficient, while the 12-inch demands a more powerful amplifier to shine. 4. Price point. Generally, 8-inch subs are more budget-friendly, but 12-inch subs give you more bass for your buck if you can invest a bit more. As you can see, the choice really depends on your car, your music taste, and your budget. Now, no matter which subwoofer you choose, installation is key to getting the best sound. Here are a few quick tips. 1. Choose the right enclosure. A sealed box is great for tight bass, while a ported box gives you more volume and depth. 2. Amp matching. Make sure your amplifier can handle the power and impedance of your subwoofer. 3. Position matters. Subwoofer placement in your trunk or cabin can dramatically impact sound quality. Experiment to find what works best for your car. So, who should pick an 8-inch subwoofer? If you drive a smaller car, love crisp and clean bass, or listen to genres like rock or acoustic, the 8-inch is your perfect match. And what about the 12-inch subwoofer? If you're rolling in a larger vehicle, love bass-heavy music, or want to feel like you're at a live concert, go big with the 12-inch. At the end of the day, there's no wrong choice. It's all about what makes your music come alive for you. So, which one do I recommend? Honestly, it depends on you. If you're just starting out or want a balanced setup, the 8-inch subwoofer is a solid choice. But if you're a bass head who craves deep, thunderous lows, the 12-inch subwoofer is worth every penny. So which subwoofer are you leaning toward, a compact 8-inch or the booming 12-inch? Let me know in the comments.